Tutorial will guide you through on how to use the Capcut mobile camera tracking feature completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Capcut project and click or select your video clip, selected and highlighted. Down and scroll to the right. See the option camera tracking next to volume. The second option, camera tracking. In case we have a video clip, track the face, the body, the hands, or even custom. In case, I'm going to click the first option, face, and click track. Another test video clip. Adjust the settings by clicking fit on canvas, face size, and even blur canvas. The check mark. For free. This is another test video clip completely for free.